Happy Friday the 13th, everybody. It's Long-Range Scary Monsters and all that. Well, I'm gonna walk some black cats out of some ladders and all that. Open a few umbrellas in the house. Find some four-leaf clovers and all that. And I've got some things. Long-Range Scares. Let's see what happens next. Are you still alive? You should know today is Friday the 13th. Don't walk under a ladder. Don't bring a mirror. Don't let a black cat cross your path. Oh, there's plenty more to be afraid of. Well, there's nothing to be afraid of. You know, I'm not afraid of all that, especially had to go through. Because fear sells. Oh, fear sells about that. How about that? You should know about these things and all that. I know there's plenty to be afraid of. So they're afraid of Friday the 13th. Not so secret when I show up, I'm gonna play some tricks on them. I don't even believe it. I get hit by lightning 3 times. Airplane was my help by that much. I think no tree actually comes at 5:30 in the morning. A real tree down. I don't believe this. We'll see the wizard and all that. But you have to reverse the spell. I have something to reverse the spell and all that, especially I had to go through reverse the bad luck and try to buy a reverse for free and pay me $10. So I think they're scared of that. I'll just replace it with that anti-reversal cream. Garlic chains are around our neck. Save us from the evil X. Another bees! Ah! Ah! I don't believe this. Who could have done that? Bubblegum, Tabasco sauce, ketchup, Edmund! No, it's not nice to play tricks on everybody. Oh, so what if I did? You should know what happened. Thirteen black cats, black Friday the 13th. What? That's like an evil, like. But yours bad luck. You don't believe it. Yes, yes, my pretty. Yes, my pretty. Yeah. Rah. Oh my God, we gotta do something! Well, what will you do about it? Ah! Lock the door, Mom! Run for your lives! For your lives! So that was interesting Friday the 13th. Happy Friday the 13th and all that. Come on, let's go look up Light. Happy Friday the 13th!